feel like I'm in a race truck now. It finally showed up. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to How I Did It Garage. Today's another beautiful day here in southern Kentucky. Also Christmas. Now the reason I say it's Christmas is, boom! Look at it. Ugh. I've been waiting on this thing for a while. I ain't been waiting on it for a while, but I've been wanting to get it for a while. It's the cheapest hood I found on Amazon. It seems to be made pretty good. Has little vents in the back. I was kind of worried about it. It only had one picture. One picture of the front, like that, pretty much. So I was kind of skeptical about it, but it's the cheapest one. I said, hell, I'll give Amazon a try. I get a lot of stuff from Amazon, so. But it seems to be made pretty good from what I could see. I don't know much about cow hoods. It's my first cow hood, but as far as structural, it seems to be made pretty good. I believe it comes from Taiwan for a $450, $500 hood. At the moment I'm by myself, so I used some knee pads to put underneath here when I took this off. Let it sit down in there so it don't scratch the paint up even more, I guess. It's already scratched. And I want to do the same thing over here. And it don't have a latch on it, so I'm about to have to take this out and put it on the other one. Alright, so the hood ain't gonna work. Let me show you why. The thing about getting this hood is gonna be a multi-purpose. It's like the best thing money could buy, because it does all types of different things. It's gonna help out with heat, looks badass, and it's gonna help out with hood clearance. Still got hood clearance issues because of this and this. Yes, I have this. I plan on running this. I like this a lot. Some people don't, some people do. I really like this. I like the way it looks. It's I don't know. I like the way this little vortex pops out the hood a little bit. I like it. But this is going to hit this. This is about stock right here anyways. I figured I was going to have to cut out this, but I was hoping this would clear right here. Right here in this little section, but it's not. It's hitting right here. So I'll probably go ahead and cut this out right here. I'll probably just cut this whole thing out. Kind of like a support thing, but... Turd barrel! Look at little turd barrel! What you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? The licking machine. I'm gonna cut it right here, there, pretty much everywhere the cow is. Besides back here, there's a support right here. Besides back here, there's a support, so I'll probably cut it right here to try to keep that support right there. So I went ahead and just cut everything out right here. I cut it to this brace right here, cut out the spot welds. This is just glued on there, so it just move out like that. Piece right there. I'm gonna keep this on there and push it back down, so hopefully all this still has a little bit more support. All right, let's see if she's gonna close now. Oh yeah, that's nice and flush. Nice and flush. That's pretty good right there. It's kind of close, but oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can work with that. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Now if I could just get in there and tighten up the bolts exactly where it's at right now. I'm so impatient when it comes to painting. I can never be a paint body guy. So what I did was just snug these bolts up. Just snug, still a little loose. I'm gonna try to close the hood, and hopefully that will align that up with where it needs to be. Then I'm not gonna close it all the way. I'm just gonna kind of put the tip into this, and hopefully it kind of lines it up. Then tighten it up after I raise it back up. Same way I done the hood pretty much. Ah, it's tight. All right, let's see if it does what it's supposed to do. Yep, that's it. That's all the way closed. Nice and tight. Let's see if it opens up good. Uh-oh. I might just be the paint sticking. That ain't too bad. Ain't too bad at all. I'm gonna have to repaint it where the paint's done slid off, because like I said, I'm impatient. That's it, the hood's on there, boy. Look at her. The view's pretty good though. I thought it would stick up quite a bit, but I only got a 2-inch because I didn't want to stick up too much. But 2-inch was plenty for what I need to accomplish. But the view's really good. Them people in Taiwan knows what they're doing, I guess. Well, there it is. Got the hood on there finally. Like the way it looks. Not bad for a no review Amazon hood. I think so. That's pretty much it for now. Next time I'm gonna weld these exhaust tips on. Weld this bong in for the O2 or the wideband sensor, get that on. I'm gonna put these V-band clamps in strategic locations to make it where I can remove everything and weld it and work on it a lot better. So, as always, till next time.